All right, hello everyone. Welcome back to the Fit IT Guy. Today I have this padded seat cover, just like the Model Y Performance, the new Model Y Performance. And we're gonna go ahead and put this inside the Model Y Juniper. It looks great. It's supposed to still let in the ventilation and the heated seats. So we're gonna go ahead, put it in the car. It's a super quick install, and then we're gonna go ahead and try it out and see how it feels. Should give us some extra comfort as well. All right guys, so I'm just gonna have the camera here focused on the seat. One thing I wanna mention is you can save 20% off on evbase.com. With code TheFitITGuy, you can get the seat cover for just $79. So this is a one-piece seat cover, so if you want both the driver and the passenger seat, you'll have to get two. But here's the seat cover here. We have 3 clips in the back. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do this so that you can get the clips in perfectly. But basically, these clips, you're gonna stick it in between the seat cushion and the seat backing here. And once it's in, you get it in horizontal, and then you basically get it to stick in vertical. That way the clip locks in, and then the cover can't move forward or back, it stays put. So again, we're gonna stick it in horizontally and then get it in vertically. And then we have a couple hooks here on the bottom as well. This is for the extra thigh padding here. So this will clip in on the bottom, that I'll show you after as well. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna start with the very left one first here. We're just gonna slide it in, and once it slides in, I'm going to use my other 2 fingers to get it horizontal by pushing down on the bottom part of the clip here and trying to pull this one up as well. Maybe a little easier said than done, but we'll see. Okay, that actually wasn't bad at all. You can see with just one clip in, that is not going anywhere. So let's get the other ones in to really secure it too. Once you get it in horizontally, you can feel once it gets past a certain point that you can then kind of push it vertically. You can either do this by pushing on the top of it or pushing down on the bottom of it. Okay, there we go. Second one down. See, it's not moving anywhere. Again, like I said, this is a very quick install. Another thing I just found out is when you push it in, you can actually just push it all the way down, and that'll flip it vertically. So next we have the side pieces here, and these, we actually see that the stock Juniper seats have this little black cloth here. This will actually cover this all up, so this will be all white now. For those of you that want white, they also make this in a black color as well. So what we can do is just wedge this in between the seat and the black plastic here. Should actually go in pretty easily. These are the amazing 3W liners that I've had both in my Model Y Juniper and my Model 3 Highland for 2 months now. I absolutely love them, and you guys can get them for 33% off with my code FITITGUY. You can click the link below in the description or the pinned comment to use the exclusive link for 3W liners and use my coupon code FITITGUY to save you 33% off in checkout. All right, we have our trunk mat here. It's pretty dirty. I have a good amount of crumbs and everything on it. I've stored so many boxes in my trunk over the last 2 months that I've had the 3W liners. And we're just gonna pull it out right now, and we're gonna see all the stuff that's about to fall off. So I'm just gonna spray some interior cleaner. It's not even a rubber floor mat cleaner or anything. Just get a little bit wet, and we can wipe it down. This is the unclean side, dirty side. Right is the clean side. This took me 30 seconds of cleaning. Here's my driver's side mat before. I'm gonna take it out, clean it, and show you the difference after. It's basically like brand new again. Super clean. Basically got the full black finish back to it. And I could clean it even deeper if I rinsed it with a hose. I absolutely love these 3W liners. I have them in both my Model Y Juniper and my Model 3 Highland. You guys can save 33% on 3W.com with my code FITITGUY, and you can get yourself a nice set of liners from there at a great discount. Be sure to check them out. So there's definitely enough of a gap here to get it all in. come on this side here just to make it a little easier for me because I couldn't really see what I was doing from that side. And you can actually pop off this plastic cover too. So you can see I popped it off here. And then I'll go ahead and push it back in once I have this seat edge nicely tucked in. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side as well at the same time, just to make it even. Just went ahead and pushed this black plastic piece back in. I'm going to go over here now, tuck in the rest of it. All right, so my microphone cut out here, so I'm just going to voice over the rest of this. I went underneath the seat and clipped in the two bottom clips that attach the seat cover to the bottom of the seat so that it doesn't slide off. And we can see there's a little bit of air underneath. The seat cover is sticking up a little bit, but I guarantee that within a couple days of sitting on it and actually using it, it sits flush to the actual seat itself. So you can see it here, how it looks at the moment. I'm going ahead, sitting down in it. And this was my first impression sitting in it. I was like, okay, I kind of feel the pad against my calves a little bit, but I didn't feel it necessarily underneath my thighs. I realized I had to adjust the seat. So obviously you can adjust the front portion of the seat here with the thigh adjustment. And this is what I was saying here. I don't really feel it on my on my thighs at the moment. So going up here using the thigh adjustment, we can see just how much this thigh piece here makes a difference and supporting, kind of the upper portion of your thighs here closer to your knee. So when we make this adjustment, everything just feels so much better. This is such a comfy seat cover. I've been using it for over a month now. I wanted to give kind of a long-term review here, so this is another reason why I'm voicing over. But I have to say that this has been super comfortable to drive with. I feel like I could drive twice the amount of time I normally could. Not to say that the seats weren't comfortable already. They were actually very comfortable. Tesla seats are great. However, this just really gives you that extra cushion, which is what I think is missing from the seats to begin with, where I've done some long drives. I've done drives to Montreal. I've done drives to Toronto in my first gen Model Y, not this one, but the seats are relatively about the same other than the perforation. And I will say that, after the 2-3 hour mark, you start to, move around and squiggle in your seat a little bit. I feel like this just keeps you planted. It gives you all the support you need underneath your thighs, and it just gives you that extra cushion around the whole seat as well. And the best part is it keeps your actual seat clean. If you're eating in the car or anything, you spill something, it's just going to spill on top of the cover. One thing I really do want to mention is I did try out the seat ventilation, so the cooled seats, and I did try out the heated seats. With the cooled seats, I've found no difference in the actual amount of air coming up. If anything, I feel more now, probably because there's double the perforation. But I didn't feel any reduction in any of the air coming in through the seats from the cooled seats. Same thing with the heated seats, they got super hot as well. So the seat cover doesn't affect any of the seat functions in any way. It only enhances it, if anything. It is really unfortunate that my microphone cut out here, but basically I was just saying how good that felt in the first few minutes. And giving my longer term review here of the seats, I just want to say again, this has just been really great to use for over a month now. I've done, a couple few hour drives here and there and my usual drives, and it's just super comfortable. It does add a little bit of thickness to the seat, so you may have to raise your steering wheel or put the seat down a little bit if you're not already all the way down just to get your legs in. I have pretty big legs, so I found that adjustment obviously with the thigh padding there. Otherwise, again, this has been such a great product. You can check it out on evbase.com and you can save 20% off with my code TheFitITGuy. You can get this for such a great price, I believe around 80 bucks, and it is definitely worth it. I think, especially if you're driving in the car for long amounts of time, or if you have longer legs like me and you just need that extra thigh padding like the new Model Y Performance, this just gives you that extra padding, and I think it's really great. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Really appreciate it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and see you next time.